Just imagine the freshness and thickness of this pap. Oh my God. If you want to know how this delicious pap was processed, please watch this video to the end. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you have been following us on this channel, we do appreciate it. And if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by and God bless you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and keep following us. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare or process Ogii, pap, or akamu, depending on what you call it or your own dialect. So this is the combination of corn, which is 1 pint, and millet, dawa, which is half pint each. So you soak the grains for 2 to 3 days, but you must change the water every morning to avoid getting soured. See how beautiful it looks on this picture. So we'll be needing this particular sieve, okay, for smoother outcome, and this bag for draining it. This particular bag is pure cotton, okay. I went to the commercial grinders to grind this, so I'm going to sieve it now. I will be needing water, okay. Then this, see, I have to tie it here because I have been looking for a rope to tie it around, but because of the hand of this bucket, so I couldn't use rope, so I have to tie it this way. So it has to be very, very leveled and balanced. If actually you have a bigger bucket or a big kitchen bowl, you can go ahead and use it. It will make the work way more easier than what I'm doing right now. Please remember to wash your hands properly and keep adding water until all the starch goes down. So I'll keep doing it like this until I am able to extract all the starch from it. Once the chaff becomes dry, you remove it and repeat the same process till you are done sieving. Just have a look, see how dry the chaff it is now. So at this point, you know it is ready. It's very dry. At this point, we are done sieving it, so we are going to pour it straight to the draining bag. This can actually be so messy, but the stress is worth it. Especially now, things are very expensive. The economy is not smiling at all. So at this point, we are adding the remaining part of the starch. It is the starch that is actually the pap or akamu. Okay, so at this point, you have to tie it up with a twine, or you fold it in and fold it in very well. At this point, it's very risky. Anything can happen at this point. You make sure you secure the tip very well so as not to pour. So after tying it, just place it on something and allow it to drain on its own. Don't try forcing the water out. It can take a day or two to be fully drained. So this is the next day, actually in the evening, because I was busy all through the day. So now let's see what came out of our 2 pints of grains. So I'm unfolding it now just to show you how it came out. And see how strong it is. See the muzzle I am using to cut it. This is exactly how I wanted it. Just have a look. Just have a look. This is so nice. See, I'm trying to transfer it to this plate. So enable me package it. Okay, see, I'm going to package it with this Ziploc and this other leather. I'll be storing it in my freezer. If you have another method of preserving this pap, please write at the comment section. Suggest for me, please. So, but for me, for now, this is the best way I preserve my pap. If I want to use it, I just bring it out a few minutes before I use it, so it would defrost. Then I will just add a little water and the pap will still remain as fresh as ever. On that note, my wonderful people, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please, if you've not subscribed, click on that subscribe icon, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye, and God bless you.